Floodwaters are starting to recede in Chester County after a thunderstorm that brought strong rain and heavy winds. Some business districts ended up underwater.
CBS Philadelphia's Madeleine Wright is in Westchester right now covering the cleanup efforts. Madeleine?
Good evening, Yuki, Aziza. Police say that nobody was hurt during the storm, but it certainly packed a punch. You can see here that Montgomery Avenue is still shut down as PennDOT crews work to clear the mud and debris off the road. It was just a few hours ago this street was completely flooded. Cell phone video shows intense rain coming down in Westchester Friday morning. The wind even knocked this tent upside down. Video from Drone Watch 3 shows the aftermath of the storm. Montgomery Avenue in Westchester flooded. Matt Lewis is the general manager of a dry cleaning business surrounded by water. It was too late for employees to move their cars to higher ground.
I was shocked because it hasn't been this bad in a while, and I knew we were getting thunderstorms, but that was all I knew. I did not know we were getting the extent of water to cause it to flood out the main road coming into Westchester.
Surveillance video shows one man making waves as he drives through the flooded parking lot, then stops when he apparently realizes the flooding gets even worse. He eventually backs up and goes out the other way. Police say 5 drivers got stranded in the water in different parts of the borough. 4 of those drivers had to be rescued, and the 5th was able to get out on their own. Some residents say parts of this area are prone to flooding.
Didn't surprise me at all. I was like, here comes the rain. Watch everybody go crazy. I'm ready to do a water rescue if I need to, but I'll put myself on the line to help another person out.
East Gay Street near Montgomery Avenue was closed for 2.5 hours because of the flooding. 4 lanes of traffic had to be diverted onto North Bolmar Street. As Lewis began the cleanup, his shop remained closed. How big of a hit is this to you?
It's been a pretty big hit because on Friday we do have a lot of people that come through and do pickups and drop-offs, and I'm going to say we're probably down 75% today because of this.
Back live, Lewis says he's hoping that the municipalities in this area can work with PennDOT to resolve the drainage issues that he believes contributes to the flooding. Live in Westchester, Madeleine Wright, CBS News, Philadelphia.